Scottsdale voters, look for Proposition 490 on your November 5th General Election Ballot. Proposition 490 would enact a 0.15% city sales tax for 30 years beginning July 1, 2025, solely to fund improvements, maintenance, and protection of city parks and recreational facilities and the McDowell Sonoran Preserve. Prop 490 would go into effect immediately after a current city sales tax of 0.2% expires. Why is this being proposed? What would it fund? How would it be restricted? Find the answers to these questions and more at Scottsdale's official election website, scottsdale.vote. Heads up, the Scottsdale questions will appear on page 1 of your November ballot. Vote both sides of both pages to make sure your voice is heard in Scottsdale.